Hi, how are you all? I thought I'd just give you come online and just give you a little painting demo and to say hi. Sorry I haven't been in touch in a while. I've been insanely busy painting waves with in my married name Lisa McDonald, and I've actually just launched another YouTube channel which is all about healing and um, divine energy. It's called Soul Sister Tribe if you're interested. Um, but back to Haven House art and paintings. I know you love to learn some technique and see how these paintings come together. So this one was actually started in an online painting tutorial, and I taught my students how to lay down the basic colours. It was an hour, but what I always reiterate is that they can spend as long as they like on a painting. That when I paint, they take hours. Literally, paintings will take hours because I like to put in all the detail. But there's some people out there that just literally want to enjoy the process and come up with something in an hour, which is absolutely fine. I chose this image. It's actually of Kilt Rock Waterfall on the beautiful Isle of Skye. I can't wait to get back to Skye. And I chose it because there's so much technique that you can learn within this one image. So you can learn how to paint the sea and create movement within the sea, how to create depth within a painting so that the background recedes, how to create texture in a foreground and when there's loads of foliage and undergrowth, and then how to create water flowing as well. So there was lots for the students to get their teeth into. How to create depth within a painting is to get all your strong dominant colours at the front and all your detail at the front, and then as the painting recedes backwards the colours get lighter and you wouldn't see so much detail. So a quick demo for you is, I try not to use black, but I use a black colour. I mix a black colour by using dark brown and dark blue, which I've done just here. Let's just make sure that's still a little bit. Add water to my dark blue and my dark brown. And then what I want to start doing is creating actual boulder shapes within these rocks. So what I did, I laid down the base colour and they look flat. So now we need to start lifting them. So I'm just going to kind of draw around them with the paint and then add the shapes. And you can go as detailed as you want, so the brushes could get even smaller. And it's to come round, I'm using the brush to come round the shape of the boulder, but then bringing that colour into the sea as well, so it forms a kind of reflection. And that's how you can start manipulating the shape of the water, the flow of the water around the boulders as well. So bringing that downwards. So that works like that. There's a lot of boulders. I'm sure you don't want to sit and watch me painting boulders. And that's just one element. I mean, I will now spend hours refining this painting so that it has all the different elements in it. So it's got all this texture of the boulders and the landscape. Yeah, so there's a lot to do. But also just a reminder as well, and I'm sure my students can testify to this, is that the painting is a wonderful way to promote mindfulness and boost feelings of well-being. You get lost in the process. You can, whilst you're painting, put on your favourite music, burn your favourite candles, put the radio on and create your little space. And so that is why I recommend getting creative in whatever you want to do, and just get in your little creative zone. So I hope you are all well. I will be in touch soon, I am sure. Sending lots of love. See you soon.